Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're going to take a look at the AI boom and explore the world of AI connectivity.
Absolutely.
Get ready for some really surprising insights.
Yeah.
Because we're about to uncover how a company you might not have heard of,
Right?
Astera Labs, is playing a critical role in making all that AI magic happen.
Yeah, it's fascinating because while everyone's talking about faster chips
Right.
and bigger data centers, it's actually the infrastructure, the glue that holds it all together, that's becoming the real bottleneck.
Interesting.
That's where Astera Labs comes in.
Okay, so to get into this, we've got their Q3 2024 earnings call, transcript, and press release.
Oh, very exciting.
So buckle up for a double dose of financial fireworks and tech breakthroughs.
Yeah, by the end of this deep dive, you'll understand why Astera Labs is the company everyone's whispering about in Silicon Valley.
I love it.
And you'll have a clear picture of the forces shaping the future of data centers.
Okay, so let's jump right in. Astera Labs just reported a record-breaking quarter, raking in a mind-blowing $113.1 million in revenue.
Wow.
That's a 47% leap from just last quarter.
Huge.
And a staggering 206% increase year over year.
That's not just growth. That's a full-blown explosion.
Explosion, I like it.
And the fuel for this rocket ship.
I think I know where you're going with this.
You guessed it. The insatiable demand for AI.
AI is powering everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. And all those amazing applications require moving massive amounts of data.
Absolutely.
Quickly and efficiently.
Think of it this way. Training a large language model is like trying to drink from a fire hose.
Oh, wow.
You need specialized plumbing to handle that kind of data flow.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what Astera Labs provides.
So they're like the master plumbers of the AI world.
Precisely. They provide the high-speed connections that allow all those powerful processors like GPUs to communicate and share data seamlessly.
Now, you mentioned GPUs, but they're not the only game in town anymore, are they?
That's right.
Okay.
We're seeing a fascinating trend where hyperscale cloud providers, those giants who run massive data centers, are increasingly designing their own custom AI chips.
Interesting.
Think Google, Amazon, Microsoft, they're all jumping on this bandwagon.
Now, why would they go through the trouble of creating their own chips?
Yeah.
Isn't it easier to just buy off-the-shelf components?
There are several reasons.
Okay.
First, building their own chips gives them more control over their hardware.
Makes sense.
And allows them to optimize for their specific AI workloads.
Okay.
Second, it can be more cost-effective in the long run.
Especially at that scale.
Especially when you're dealing with the sheer scale of data these companies handle.
Right.
And finally, it allows them to differentiate themselves in a fiercely competitive market by offering unique AI capabilities.
So it's a strategic move.
Yes.
But it also means these companies need a partner who can provide the specialized connectivity solutions to handle these custom chips.
Right.
Enter Astera Labs.
Exactly.
I like it.
Astera Labs has a whole suite of products designed to meet the unique demands of AI infrastructure.
Okay.
Whether it's based on those familiar third-party GPUs or these cutting-edge, custom-designed AI accelerators.
All right, let's dive into their product portfolio.
Yeah, let's do it.
And see how each piece of the puzzle fits into this AI connectivity story.
Okay.
First up, we've got Aries, their flagship line of smart retimers and cable modules.
Think of Aries as the traffic cops of the data highway.
Okay, I like that.
They ensure that data flows smoothly and at blistering speeds between all the critical components of an AI system.
Yeah.
Like the CPUs, the GPUs, and the memory.
Okay.
They're basically eliminating those annoying bottlenecks that can slow everything down.
And they're already supporting the latest and greatest standards for data transfer, like a PCIe 5.0 and 6.0, right?
That's right. Astera Labs is all about staying ahead of the curve.
I like it.
Ensuring that their solutions can handle the ever-increasing demands of AI workloads.
Next up, we've got Taurus, their line of smart cable modules for Ethernet. So if Aries is managing the traffic within a server, Taurus is handling the communication between servers in a data center.
Precisely.
Cool.
Taurus is all about high-speed networking.
Okay.
Moving massive amounts of data between servers.
Got it.
Imagine super-fast internet cables designed specifically for the demanding environment of a data center.
Yeah.
And that's Taurus in a nutshell.
Okay.
They also support both 200 and 400 gigabit Ethernet.
Wow.
The latest standards for networking speeds.
Okay, now things are about to get a bit more technical, but I promise it's worth it.
Yeah.
We're moving on to Astera Labs family of CXL memory controllers.
Okay.
CXL, or Compute Express Link, is a relatively new technology, but it has the potential to revolutionize how memory is used in servers.
Imagine if, instead of each server having its own separate pool of memory, you could pool all the memory resources in a data center and share them dynamically.
Interesting.
That's the promise of CXL.
It's like creating a massive shared brain for your data center.
Exactly. And Astera Labs is one of the pioneers in this field, already shipping Leo controllers to customers who are developing these next-generation CXL-capable systems.
So while CXL might sound a bit futuristic,
Yeah.
it's clear that Astera Labs is betting big on its potential.
Absolutely.
And now we come to the newest member of the Astera Labs family.
Okay.
Scorpio. Their line of smart fabric switches.
Right?
This is where things get really interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, you mentioned Scorpio is where things get really interesting.
Yeah.
I'm all ears. What makes these smart fabric switches so special?
Well, Scorpio is designed specifically for AI workloads.
Okay.
Unlike traditional network switches that try to be jacks of all trades. Imagine a highway system designed exclusively for self-driving cars with optimized routes and traffic flow. That's what Scorpio does for AI data.
So no more AI data getting stuck in rush hour traffic with all the other digital commuters.
Exactly. Scorpio ensures that AI data gets the express lane treatment,
Makes sense.
leading to faster training times, higher throughput, and ultimately more efficient use of those expensive AI accelerators.
Right.
And remember those custom AI chips we were talking about?
Yeah.
Scorpio is uniquely positioned to handle them.
So it's not just about supporting standard GPUs. It's about creating a flexible infrastructure that can adapt to whatever the future of AI hardware throws at it.
Exactly.
Pretty strategic, if you ask me.
Absolutely. But it gets even better.
Oh, wow.
Scorpio is also the industry's first PCIe Gen 6 fabric switch.
Okay.
Remember PCIe, those high-speed connections Ares uses within servers?
Yeah.
Well, Scorpio is bringing that same blazing fast technology to the networking level, connecting multiple servers and AI accelerators together.
So Astera Labs is not just keeping up with the latest trends, they're setting the pace.
Right.
They're practically building the racetrack for the future of AI.
Precisely. And they're already shipping pre-production units of Scorpio.
Wow, that's great.
With major customers lining up to get their hands on it.
I bet.
Remember, that $12 billion market opportunity Astera Labs is forecasting by 2028.
Yeah.
Scorpio is expected to be a major driver of that growth.
Okay, before we move on,
Sure.
Can we rewind a bit and talk more about WH constant? Scorpio is so much better than what's already out there.
Yeah.
You mentioned performance and power efficiency.
Excellent question. Let's start with performance.
Okay.
AI models are constantly getting more complex.
Right.
And that means they need to crunch through massive amounts of data.
Yeah.
Scorpio is designed with this in mind, providing the bandwidth and low latency required to keep these AI beasts happy.
Low latency, that's the time it takes for data to travel, right?
Yes.
Kind of like minimizing the lag in a video game.
Perfect analogy.
Like it.
And when it comes to AI training, every millisecond counts.
Wow.
Reducing latency can significantly speed up the entire process, saving time and money.
Okay, so Scorpio is fast, but what about power efficiency?
Right.
Aren't all these powerful AI systems energy hogs?
They can be,
Yeah.
but that's another area where Scorpio shines.
Okay.
Data centers are constantly trying to reduce their energy consumption.
Right.
And Scorpio's architecture is designed to minimize power usage without sacrificing performance.
Okay.
Think of it like comparing a gas-guzzling SUV to a sleek electric car.
So they're giving data centers the best of both worlds, high performance and a lower carbon footprint.
Exactly. Now, beyond Scorpio,
Right.
I think it's important to zoom out and look at the bigger picture.
Yeah, good idea.
Astera Labs isn't just reacting to the current AI boom. They're anticipating the next wave of innovation.
Ooh, crystal ball time. What do they see coming down the pike?
Remember how we talked about hyperscale companies designing their own custom AI chips? Well, Astera Labs believes this trend is going to accelerate.
Interesting.
In the future, we'll see even more specialized AI hardware, tailored to specific tasks and applications.
So more custom-designed AI chips mean more opportunities for Astera Labs to provide the specialized connectivity solutions those chips will need.
Exactly. It's like they're building a Swiss Army knife of connectivity solutions.
Oh, I like that.
Ready to adapt to whatever the future of AI hardware throws at them.
Speaking of adapting to the future, let's talk about UALink.
Go ahead.
It's an open standard for ultra-high-speed, low-latency latency connections between AI accelerators.
Right.
And Astera Labs is a founding member of the consortium behind it.
Uh-huh.
What's the significance of that?
Well, UALink is all about addressing the growing need for even faster and more efficient communication between AI accelerators.
Okay.
As AI models continue to grow in complexity,
Right.
traditional interconnects simply won't cut it.
Yeah, I can see that.
UALink is designed to be that next-generation highway system for AI data, capable of handling the massive data flows of the future.
So it's like going from a highway to a hyperloop for AI data transfer.
You got it. And by being a founding member of the UALink Consortium,
Yeah.
Astera Labs is not just building products. They're helping to define the future of AI connectivity.
Okay.
They're at the table, shaping the standards and protocols that will underpin the next generation of AI infrastructure.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
Yeah.
Astera Labs is clearly a company firing on all cylinders, not just riding the AI wave, but actively shaping it.
Yeah.
They've got the products, the vision, and the partnerships to be a major player in the AI-powered future.
Absolutely.
But what's the key takeaway for our listeners?
Yeah.
Why should they care about all of this? So we've established that Astera Labs is doing some pretty impressive things in the AI connectivity space.
Yep.
But what does all this mean for the average person?
Right.
How does it connect to the bigger picture of AI's impact on the world?
That's a great question, and it gets to the heart of why this deep dive is so important.
Okay.
Astera Labs technology might seem behind the scenes,
Yeah.
but it's enabling the AI advancements that are already transforming our lives.
Okay.
Think about those personalized recommendations you get on your favorite streaming service,
Uh-huh.
or the medical breakthroughs powered by AI-driven drug discovery.
Right.
None of that would be possible without the kind of high-speed, efficient connectivity that Astera Labs provides.
So they're like the unsung heroes of the AI revolution.
Exactly.
Laying the groundwork for all these amazing applications we see popping up every day.
And it's only going to get more exciting from here.
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
As AI models become increasingly complex and data hungry,
Yeah.
the demand for advanced connectivity solutions will only grow.
You've got me thinking about the future now.
Yeah.
What kind of innovations are we likely to see in the world of AI connectivity in the coming years?
Right.
What's next after PCIe Gen 6 and UALink?
Well, one area that's ripe for disruption is optical interconnects.
Okay.
We're already using fiber optics for long-distance data transmission.
Right.
But they could play a much bigger role within data centers themselves.
Because light travels faster than electricity.
That's part of it.
Okay.
But optical connections also offer other advantages.
Like what?
They can transmit data over much longer distances without signal degradation.
Okay.
They're less susceptible to electromagnetic interference, and they can handle significantly higher bandwidths.
So it's like upgrading from those clunky copper wires to a super fast fiber optic network within the data center itself.
Precisely.
Wow.
And as AI systems continue to scale up with hundreds or even thousands of processors working together, optical interconnects will become essential for maintaining performance and efficiency.
Okay, so we've got faster connections with optical interconnects.
Right.
What else is on the horizon?
Another area to watch is the development of new protocols and technologies.
Specifically designed to reduce latency.
Okay.
Remember, latency is the delay between a request for data and the data actually arriving. In the world of AI, even tiny amounts of latency can have a big impact on performance.
So it's not just about moving more data, it's about moving it faster and more efficiently?
Yeah.
Kind of like optimizing the delivery routes for all those self-driving data packets.
Exactly.
I like it.
And finally, we can't forget about the hardware side of the equation.
Right.
The way AI accelerators themselves are designed will have a big impact on connectivity needs.
Okay.
We're already seeing a move towards chiplet-based architectures.
Okay.
Where processors are built from smaller modular components.
Chiplets, those sound like something out of a sci-fi movie.
They might sound futuristic, but they're already starting to make their way into real-world systems.
Really?
Think of it like building a supercomputer out of Lego bricks.
Okay.
Where each brick is a specialized processing unit.
So it's a more flexible and scalable approach to building AI hardware.
Exactly.
And this modularity has big implications for connectivity.
How so?
We'll likely see new interconnect standards and technologies specifically designed for chiplet-based systems.
So the future of AI connectivity is going to be a fascinating mix of optical interconnects, ultra-low latency protocols, and specialized chiplet interconnects.
It really is.
It sounds like a complex landscape, but also incredibly exciting.
It absolutely is.
Well, dear listeners, we've reached the end of our deep dive into the world of AI connectivity.
It's been fun.
I hope you've enjoyed the journey and come away with a better understanding of this critical but often overlooked aspect of the AI revolution.
I agree. It's been a pleasure exploring these ideas with you.
And remember, the innovations we've discussed today are just the beginning.
Absolutely.
The world of AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one developing the next breakthrough in AI connectivity.
The future is full of possibilities.
Until next time, keep on diving deep.